Hi guys, I know I promised you a video of my new workspace and I said I was gonna do a tour, so I can finally do it because the light is actually really beautiful outside. So here we go. The thing that I like the most, I think I said it before, is this window right here, because on the last apartment I didn't have a view of the outside world and I find it really inspiring when I'm sitting here drawing. I can see through the window. Right here I have my tripod, the one I used to film these videos, and I use it also to film above the table when I'm drawing something so I can show you what I'm working on without worrying about the camera. This is my new desk. It's actually bigger than the last one I had, so I can keep my computer and my iPad on it at the same time. I have this hook right here to hang my headphones and I don't lose them. I also have this little bag on this side where I keep all the cables that I'm not using at the moment but I like to keep close to me. I always have my drink right here, so I keep this coaster that John got me in New Orleans and I really like it because it's pink and purple. I have this candle from IKEA that smells really good, so I like to light it sometimes at night so it feels a little bit cozy. I have this guy here that some artists use for references. I honestly use Pinterest, but I like the idea of having it and you just can move it like this one so you can have an idea of how to draw a human body. I have my iPad right here. It's the one that I use the most lately because I'm working on these digital projects like my imaginary girls that you can find on my new Etsy shop. I'm gonna leave the link down below. I have some other projects that I'm working on like this one, so I just keep it here and I'm always working on it. On this side I have my computer. I have it on this angle because if I need to write something or answer an email, I just turn a little bit and I can do it very easily without having to move my iPad or do anything else. On this corner I have all the pens, pencils and brushes that I use every day, so I keep them close to me. I also have some other tools like my rule, my scissors and things that I use to draw, so I just keep them right here. I got this lamp on IKEA and I really like it because I can use it if I'm drawing at night and I need extra light in the room above my desk. I can actually move it close to my desk and I really like that because it's pretty useful. If I'm drawing, I don't need to worry about the light. I kept the same chair than the last apartment because I like it, I find it comfortable. I just added a new cushion and a blanket because these days it's getting really cold in New York. On this side I keep this storage cart and I like to keep stuff that I need like my external hard drive, my camera, my headphones. I also like to keep notepads. If I need to write something really fast, I just grab it. And some post-its, tape, and random stuff that I use every day. I also keep on the second level a box with all the prints that I'm selling these days on my new Etsy shop, like this one. So if you're interested in getting it, don't forget to check the link down below. Down here I have some tape that I use to ship those orders, and I love the fact that it has wheels because if I need something really fast, I just need to turn, grab it, pull it, then I take whatever I need, I use it, and then when I'm done with it, I just need to put it back and I push it back. On this corner I have my printer and my paper shredder. Also I kept this mirror from the last apartment because it makes the room look bigger, so I kept it. I have this beautiful plant right here. It looks pretty sad these days because it's winter, but it actually looks really beautiful in the summer, so I can't wait for it. I kept also this bookshelf where I keep all my art supplies, books, notebooks, and random stuff. Up here I have a plant and some cute art supplies that I actually don't use, but I think they look really cute, so I keep them there. Some paper and more art supplies. I have all these notebooks that I never use, but I'm addicted to them. I always buy them if I think they are cute, and I never ever use them, so I just put them here. I have these little baskets that I use to hide my art supplies because most of the time they are really messy. Like this one's is all my pastels and they can get really messy, so I don't want anybody to see them. Right here on the next level I have some cactus decoration and another basket with a stuffed animal that John got for me in an amusement park. I have my travel kit for watercolors, some color pencils, some watercolor wash, and I also like to keep right here some stickers that I use when I do journaling. On the next level I have my graphic novels and some art books. If you saw my last video, I'm a big fan of the Twilight Zone, so this is my favorite graphic novel. If you are a fan as well, I really recommend you to get it. Another stuffed animal that also John got for me, and right here I like to put this little thing to turn on the fairy lights that I put around my shelf. I only turn them on during the night so it looks cozier. And on this basket, in this basket I have my watercolor palettes, some watercolors, tapes, and more art supplies that I use. On the next level I have my Palo Santo and some sage smooch, that's how you pronounce it, because I like the smell. And right here my K-pop section. I'm a big fan of K-pop, so don't judge me, I just keep them here. And this is the messy part of my bookshelf, all my sketchbooks and notebooks that I use to draw, so if I need them I just look for them. On this wall I hung some of my illustrations, like my imaginary girls. Again, if you're interested, I'll leave you the link down below, and I'm gonna make a video explaining what I'm doing with them. I have other illustrations that you saw in my last video, and I'm planning on adding more. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it. I really like it. I find it really cozy and inspiring. If you have any ideas or suggestions of something I can add to make it look nicer, please let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you next time.